Hello and welcome to our video presentation. Are you an employee getting tired of working for a minimal income? Or an OFW looking for an additional income in preparation for going home for good? Or maybe an existing business owner, but looking for more income and expanding your business? Whatever we are doing right now, we know that a single source of income is not enough. So we need an extra source and a backup plan. That is why we are sharing with you this great opportunity on how to start your travel and tours and payment center business. Since we need a business where we can enjoy extra income, then we must choose the best business. So, how do we qualify a best business? It should be basic needs and lifestyle, trending. Technology based business is what's trending these days. Market accepted. No more hard selling required. A tarpaulin or a post in social media will be enough, and potential clients will immediately know what services you are offering. Global privilege. Portable. 24/7 operational. No credits and no risk of spoilage or expiration. Good news is all these features are present in this business that we are about to share to you today. Our company is Unified Products and Services. It was established in November 11, 2011, so we are already in the business for over 13 years. You no longer have to worry about the stability of the company. It is definitely very stable. Our president and CEO is a pure Filipino, President Emmanuel Pascual. He is an accountant by profession. He used to work as an employee in the Central Bank of the Philippines, but now a very successful businessman. So, of course, we have to make sure the business we are venturing into is completely legal. Unified Products and Services is registered to the Securities and Exchange Commission, regulated by the Central Bank of the Philippines. Our main office is in Quezon City. We are complete with all the necessary business permits. We are also halal certified. And since we are a franchising business, we are a member of AFFI, or Association of Filipino Franchisers Incorporated. All franchising companies are member of AFFI, like Jollibee, McDonald's, 7-Eleven, and the likes. Performance-wise, we are consistently awarded and cited by most of our tie-ups, most especially our airline tie-ups like Cebu Pacific, Air Asia, and PAL. We are ranking within the top 3 ranks in terms of ticket sales. So where have we been? We already have branches all over the country: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. We also have branches abroad, like in UAE, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and Singapore. So what is the main product that we are franchising? We call it the eCash, or electronic cash system. It is a prepaid system. Yes, comparable to GCash. But the difference is with GCash, we are users. We are being charged for convenience fees on all our transactions. With eCash, since we are already a franchisee, we are the one charging for convenience fees. Funding is optional, no minimum, no maximum required. It depends on the volume of your expected transactions. It's perfect home-based business for those housewife or house husbands. For employees, OFW, or business owners, it is a good source of additional income. And of course, for our own personal consumption. Once we are a franchisee and have our own eCash system, we automatically have one-stop shop business, which includes ticketing, travel and tours, remittances, insurance, bills payment, e-loading, online shopping, and ferry booking. So how do we earn from these services? So for ticketing, we are tied up with 406 airlines. We can book domestic and international flights. Our income is from markup. For domestic flight, we can mark up 150 to 500 pesos. For example, we book 5 clients for a domestic flight times 500 pesos markup times 2 if round trip ticket, we earn 5,000 pesos. Yes, markup is per pax per way. For international flights, we can mark up 700 to 1,000 pesos. So same scenario for 5 clients times 1,000 times 2 for round trip tickets, we earn 10,000 pesos. And take note, this is only 5 minutes of booking transaction. Just imagine earning 10,000 pesos in 5 minutes. And that is just for ticketing. We also have on the screen an example of our e-ticket. So next service is the remittances. We are tied up with Cebuana, Western Union, GCash. International is iRemit and all the other international remittances we see on the screen. We are also tied up with almost all local banks. We can do both sending and receiving, both local and international. So we can be 24/7 operational, and we earn here through convenience fee. The charges will depend on you and your location. We also have insurance. We have personal accident insurance. We are tied up with Malayan and FPG insurance. We also have CTPL, or the compulsory third-party liability insurance, and MaxiCare for health insurance. Example coverage of our personal accident insurance are accidental death and permanent dismemberment, 100,000 pesos. Motorcycling accident, 50,000. Burial assistance, 10,000. Fire assistance, 10,000 pesos. We sell the insurance for 300 to 500 pesos. It's a one-time payment, but for 1 year coverage. Good news is our capital for insurance is only 95 pesos. So if we sell it for 300 minus the 95 peso capital, we earn 205 per policy. For 10 policies, that's 2,050 income. What more if you get bulk clients like small companies or TODA or the Tricycle Operators and Drivers Association? So that is a very big potential income for insurance. So we also have on the screen an example of the certificate of cover for FPG insurance. Next is the bills payment. So on the screen, we can see the interface of the system, which is very user-friendly. Good news is we are tied up with Bayad Center. So we have over 2,000 billers tied up. We charge convenience fee on every transaction. It depends on you or your location how much the convenience fee will be. It can be 10, 15, 25, or even higher for remote areas. Say, for example, you charge 10 pesos for convenience fee. If there are 30 houses close to you, you earn 300 pesos in a month. Since we are paying this monthly, in a year you earn 3,600 just for a single bill. So aren't we paying a lot of bills in a single household? Maybe 4 to 6, maybe even more. So this is also a good potential income. For our e-loading, we cater to all telcos here in the Philippines, and we also have international telco tie-ups, even cables, gamings, and a lot more. Plus, we are also a dealer, meaning you can activate your own retailers and you will supply them with their load wallets. You will earn 2 to 15% commission plus markup on your retail loads. And of course, we have online shopping. We have beauty products, health and wellness products. The best sellers are on the screen like acai berry, barley, mangosteen coffee, mangosteen choco, and a lot more. So once a franchisee, you will enjoy 30 to 34% discount on all the tangible products of Unified. For ferry booking, we are tied up with TransAsia to Go and FastCat. We also have travel and tours, where we can book tour packages like 3 days, 2 nights package to Palawan, and even international packages. Good news is we have 3 possible income for travel and tours. We have separate income for airfare, hotel booking, and the package itself. So we have on the screen some proof of transactions like e-ticket, bills payment, insurance, remittances, and all these receipts or proof of transactions are available in the system real time, printable, and downloadable. So now that we have seen how great the business is and how big our potential income, so let's give you the packages you can choose from. So what are the available packages? First, we have the payment center with 10 branches. This package is originally at 599,000, now in a promotional offer for only 219,998 pesos. This is inclusive of payment center with 10 branches or 10 packages, 250,000 worth of freebies, all-in-one services with free training including the AMLA training or the Anti-Money Laundering Act training, free personal accident insurance worth 110,000. There's 10 policies of that. And the collateral materials, 34% lifetime discount on all tangible products. And this is a lifetime franchise. You no longer have to worry about renewal fees. With the passive income and residual income, which will be discussed in detail later on. The next is an even better offer or package is the 5-in-1 promo package. So this is for 249,998, where you get a payment center franchise together with 4 other Entrep Hub food business like Shamai, Brewing Spot, Steakhouse, and Takoyaki. Check out their individual franchise amount. If you will franchise these 5 separately, it will cost you over 1,000,000 pesos. But now you can avail this for only 249,998 pesos. So you get a payment center with 10 branches plus the Entrep Hub packages, 250,000 worth of freebies, all services that was mentioned earlier, free training including the AMLA training, free personal accident insurance worth 110,000, that's 10 policies as well. Collateral materials, 34% lifetime discount, and this is a lifetime franchise, no more renewal fees. With, of course, the benefit of passive income or residual income. All right, the third option we have is the early retirement package promo. This is 189,980 pesos, which also includes 10 branches or packages, 190,000 worth of freebies, all services that was previously mentioned, free training, free personal accident insurance worth 110,000, 10 policies as well, and lifetime franchise, no more renewal, with the benefit of passive income or residual income. So if the budget is tight and can't manage the packages with 10 branches, there is no need to worry because we also have home-based package options. We have 18,998 and 15,998 pesos. It's designed for home-based, but all the services mentioned earlier will also be available. You already have ticketing, bills payment, travel and tours, and all services. And you also get a limited offer of assorted unified products worth 19,000 for 18,998 package and free personal accident insurance worth 100,000 pesos, and the trainings are free as well. So here are some of the new franchisees with the freebies that they received. And we also have here some pictures of payment center outlets. So this is the payment center of Mr. Cesar Reynold Gimbaton from Lagawi, Ifugao. This is our payment center in Bamban, Tarlac. The payment center at Barangay Bahay Toro, Project 8, Quezon City. And this is the payment center in Poblacion, Anda, Bohol. A payment center in Tugbok, Davao City. Okay, this picture here is with Honorable Barangay Captain Lito Lapitan, who is a barangay local government chairman in Tigato, Barangay Tigato, Davao City. So he availed of the payment center to place in their area so that his constituents will no longer have to travel long and far for the services that we are offering. And here also is one of the biggest payment centers in Ganog City by Ma'am Carmelita Fernandez. So what are the features of the system? It's a one-time investment, but you will enjoy a lifetime business. No quota, no cash bond. Just a brief explanation of cash bond. If you put up your own ticketing and travel and tourist business and apply for a tie-up with the airlines, they all have cash bond requirements, like 300,000 for Cebu Pacific, 500,000 for PAL, 500,000 for AirAsia. So you have to pay for cash bond for each airlines. But here, if you are a unified franchisee, you are already tied up with 406 airlines without having to pay for cash bond. Why? Because the company already shoulders the cash bond in behalf of its franchisees. So no renewal fees, lifetime contract, no royalty fees, non-territorial, and you can pass it on to your next generation. So what do we do next? Just talk to or contact the person who sent you the link for this presentation, and they will provide you with the application form that you need to fill out. Franchise payment can be done over the counter or through bank transfer. You also need 2 valid IDs. So here now is the residual income that I was mentioning earlier. For every transaction, there is an automatic residual income. For ticketing, for domestic flight, it's 10 pesos. International is 25. Remittances, 1 peso. Insurance, 1 peso. Bills payment is 50 centavos. So for those packages with 10 branches, you will have 10 eCash accounts, and this will be the example structure of your 10 branches. Once you book a domestic flight on your payment center or 10th branch, you will earn 500 pesos in that branch. But the other satellite branches will benefit the residual income, meaning you will have 10 pesos each on your eCash system from 987-65432 and 1. What if you get to book 10 domestic flights? Then your 10th branch, of course, will have an income of 5,000 pesos. Good news is all your satellite branches will also get 10 times 10, 100 pesos each from your ninth up to your first account. And that is the beauty of our residual income. That is why the promotional offers are quickly running out. So for our portals, we have an application for mobile phone users. We also have a website for laptop or desktop users. And here are the mode of payments. We have BDO and Security Bank direct to the company. If other options are more convenient for you, then we can also direct it to our franchising head, Engineer Emil Pendulat. We have BDO, BPI. He can receive through GCash, Cebuana, and Palawan Pay. So that is the business. Be one of us now. Our one-stop shop, the fastest ROI business, low-cost investment, easy to set up, and world-class services. Thank you for your time, and God bless.